Just making sure we're on, guys. Let me see. I don't want to record, be live this whole time, and nothing shows up. All right, we are. Yeah, I guess we're on. Okay. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Buddies More Crypto. This is your host, John. That's a stock sound on my sound mixer, so that's why I use it. But anyways, on today's episode, we're covering some more crypto news. I'll be going over what we're going to be covering today. We got some news from CoinDesk, Yahoo News, and what's this called? Crypto Potato. So the first news we'll be covering today will be Bitcoin bags, 2 billion inflows, Ether's his highest institutional buy-in since March. Fidelity International tokenizes money market fund on JPMorgan's blockchain. Robert Kiyosaki predicts Bitcoin will hit 350,000 by August 25th and shares enthusiasm for other crypto players. GameStop shares fell 12% on Monday. And last but not least, meme coins face dual threat, market manipulation, and liquidity issues. That's every market. All right, so let's get started on the first news. Bitcoin bags, 2 billion inflows. Ether's his highest institutional buy-in since March. One trader expects Ethereum prices to hit 10,000 in 2024, a nearly 200% increase from current levels of $3,600. I think it could hit that. I don't know exactly when. I don't know if by 2024. Hopefully it does, but then on 2024. Let's keep reading. Bitcoin led the investment activity with over 1.97 billion in inflows, while Ether saw its best week since March with nearly 70 million in inflows. Some traders expect buying activity in Ether track products to continue, with expectations of assets reaching the 10,000 price level in 2024. Hopefully it does. That's what we're waiting for. By the end of the year, hopefully, if not this year, the beginning of next year. Crypto investment products took on nearly 2 billion in inflows last week to help extend a 5-week run to over $4.3 billion. Asset manager CoinShares said in a Monday report. Trading volumes in exchange traded products, ETPs, rose to 12.8 billion for the week, up 55% from the week prior. Bitcoin led investment activity at over 1.97 billion inflows for the week, while Ether saw its best week of inflows since March at nearly 70 million. Buying activity for spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds in the U.S. has picked up since mid-May after a dismal few weeks in April, which saw days of zero net inflows across all products and even outflows from major products such as BlackRock's iBid. That's the one I have. I bought some of that. However, inflows have since picked up, with iBid becoming the largest Bitcoin ETF last week, amassing over $20 billion worth of assets since January issuance. There we go. Let's see. 1.9 billion week to year to date, 77 million. Ethereum, 15. Is that 15 million or is it 77 million? Anyways, you see, there's a lot of money coming in. Okay, guys. Let's keep reading. Quote, usually inflows were seen across almost all providers with a continued slowdown in outflows from incumbents. Unquote. CoinShares analysis James Butterfield said, quote, positive price action saw total assets under management, AUM, rise above the 10 billion mark for the first time since March this year. Unquote. Butterfield added Ethereum buying was likely in reaction to the surprise SEC decision to allow spot Ether's ETFs. Ooh, I'm just waiting for that. I'm waiting for it. Meanwhile, some traders expect the inflows in Ethereum products to continue in the coming months, with a rally expected towards the end of the year. 5 to 10 billion of fresh capital could be channeled through Ether's products in the short to medium term. Unquote, Ed Hindi, chief investment officer at Tier Capital, told CoinDesk in a Monday email. Quote, this could fuel an end-of-year rally in Ethereum and its ecosystem to new record highs, unquote. Quote, a price target of $10,000 in 2024 is now a reasonable target, especially when other supportive factors like Ethereum now being deflationary and are taken into consideration, unquote, hinted at it. In May, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, on Thursday approved the key regulatory filings tied to Ethereum's ETFs, a historic milestone for the second largest cryptocurrency. The regulator approved documents for 8 ETFs from VanEck, Fidelity, Franklin, Grayscale, Bitwise, ARK Invest 21 shares, Invesco Galaxy, and BlackRock for listing on the NASDAQ, NYSE, ARCA, and CBOS BZX exchanges. So you guys know, if you guys been watching my previous crypto news, I have a lot of I bought into Bitcoin ETFs. I already got my crypto positions, so I got some of my Roth on the other side. So I'm put all my Roth, half of it, I put it into Bitcoin ETFs, and I'm waiting for Ethereum to start selling, so I can start buying some Ethereum ETFs as well. So we are set up for a good run this year. Hopefully by the end of the year, if not for the beginning of next year. I mean, hopefully, I wish it was tomorrow, right? But whatever. Let's keep reading. Next news story. Let me get a water break real quick. Do I need some music? You guys let me know if you guys are in the chat. Let me know if I need some background music, because I'll get some. I don't know, but we'll see. Sorry about the ASMR. Me drinking water. All right, let's keep reading. Next story. Fidelity International tokenizes money market fund on JPMorgan's blockchain. The UK firm joined JPMorgan's tokenized collateral network, TCN, piloting the tokenization of its own money market fund with Onyx Digital Assets. Fidelity International has selected JPMorgan's Onyx Digital Assets blockchain to tokenize a money market fund. The move means improved efficiency and delivery margin requirements and a reduction in transaction costs and operational risk, Fidelity International said. That's where I have my Roth, is in Fidelity Investments. Let's keep reading. Fidelity International, a London-based funds management firm, has tokenized shares in a money market fund, MMF, using JPMorgan's Ethereum-based private blockchain network, Onyx Digital Assets. Tokenization occurred near instantaneously through connectivity between the fund's transfer agent, JPMorgan's transfer agency business, and a tokenized collateral network, an application that sits between a collateral receiver and a collateral provider on the bank's Onyx blockchain, said Fidelity International, which is a separate equity entity to U.S.-based Fidelity Management and Research. So if you guys didn't know, I'm a big investor in NAM. That's a collateral token that was created by the Ampera Foundation, which used to be, it was part of Flexa, which is the network that's the company that's making it possible for merchants to accept crypto as payments, and they use AMP token as a collateral coin, to settle the transactions faster, more securely. So this kind of token is already set up very well for that. So hopefully it takes a lot more. It starts being implemented by other bigger companies or banks like that. We'll see what happens. That's for the future. Okay, let's keep reading. Tokenization of traditional financial assets has become a priority for banks and is an area JPMorgan has been working on for some years. The essence of tokenization is to create on a blockchain a virtual investment vehicle representing real-world assets such as real estate, precious metals, and collectibles, stocks and bonds worth too. Fidelity International also has a long history with digital assets, most recently working on tokenization project with Swiss bank Signum in March. In October last year, JPMorgan carried out its first live blockchain-based collateral settlement transactions involving tokenized shares in a BlackRock money market fund. The shares were transferred to Barclays for collateral in and over to the counter derivatives trade. BlackRock has gone on to further embrace the tokenization through its public funding building project with tokenization services from firm secure. Sorry, let me reread this again. BlackRock has gone on to further embrace tokenization through its public-facing building project with tokenization services firm Securize. I don't think that sounded well. Let's keep reading. Quote, tokenizing our money market fund shares to use as collateral is an important and natural first step in scaling our adoption of this technology. Unquote. Stephen Wyman, Fidelity International's head of debt capital markets, said in an email interview, quote, the benefits to our clients and the wider financial system are clear. In particular, the improved efficiency and delivery margin requirements and reduction in transaction costs and operational risk, unquote. JPMorgan's TCN has started with the tokenization of money market shares, a type of mutual fund that invests in high quality, short-term debt instruments and cash equivalents. The plan is to expand across equities, fixed income, and a range of asset classes, the bank said. Quote, Fidelity participation in TCM brings its MMF units onto our network through tokenization, adding a new asset that is otherwise prohibitively complex to use across today's collateral landscape, unquote, said Kirthi Mogul, head of a product of Onyx Digital Assets, JPMorgan, via email. Correction, corrects the date, June 10. Version of the story, yeah, whatever. So that's what AMP Tokenizes is working on, lowering the merchant fees for, using digital payments like credit cards and things like that. But instead of that, using crypto, crypto's already getting out there more often. I have a Coinbase debit card that I use, which gives me, it changes, it varies. It used to give me 4% AMP and returns for every purchase, but I think now I get a Stellar coin, so it's a good debit card that I use it sometimes here and there for sometimes buying gas. If it's like a big purchase, I could get a good amount of interest rates on it. Sorry, I just blanked out. I'm kind of tired, guys. I didn't sleep well last night. I got home too late from the gym. Then my daughter was up, so I had to stay up a little later. It's not good. I need to sleep more. All right, let's keep going to the next story. This is from Yahoo Finance. Let me get some more water before I go. Some more ASMR. And yes, I go to Planet Fitness. All right, let's start off. Robert Kiyosaki predicts Bitcoin will hit $350,000 by August 25th and shares enthusiasm for other crypto players. Having soared nearly 58% year to date, Bitcoin is making a strong comeback. According to Rich Dad Poor Dad author Robert Kiyosaki, even better days could be on the horizon very soon. I agree with him. There's better days are going to come for Bitcoin, of course. I'm not sure if it's going to hit 350,000. I hope it does, but my conservative estimate is that it's going to hit $150,000. But I could be wrong. Hopefully, I'm wrong and it goes higher. But we'll see. Let's keep reading. Oh, wait, that's some other news. Let me keep reading. Quote, Bitcoin will be $350,000 by August 25th, 2024 is not a lie, unquote. He wrote in a recent post on X, it's a prediction, it's a speculation, it's an opinion, but it's not a lie. It's sucker's bait, but it's not a lie because any prediction about the future is not a lie, unquote. Oh, fair enough. I guess I don't know if I completely agree with that. Kiyosaki then expressed confidence that the price of Bitcoin will reach $350,000, quote, sometime in 2024, unquote. I don't know if it's going to happen in 2024. I don't think 350 is going to happen in 2024. Probably in the future. Probably if it does hit that, it probably happens sometime next year. But hopefully he's right. But he noted that it's only a target, a dream, and a wish. Of course, good to say that. His message seems to have struck a chord. As a publication, the post has garnered 3.5 million views, 21,500 likes, and 2,300 comments. I keep buying more. Consider that Bitcoin currently trades at around 69,000 apiece. Kiyosaki's price target is undeniably optimistic. To reach $350,000 by August 25, the price of the world's largest cryptocurrency will need to increase by 4,000 percent in less than 3 months. So the market cap has to basically, what is it? If it's double, it has to quadruple, basically. And that's like, what is it? We're about 1.8, $1.7 trillion in Bitcoin. Let's do a little, what's the market cap right now? $1.3 trillion. It has to quadruple. So, 4 trillion, about $5 trillion for it to get to that price. That's a rough estimate. You guys do the math. Let's keep reading. Kiyosaki's optimism extends beyond just Bitcoin. He's also enthusiastic about other players in the crypto space. Quote, I keep buying more Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana because I'm quite certain their prices will continue to rise, unquote, he said. The reason for this bullish outlook doesn't stem from the crypto space itself, but has to do with the current U.S. leadership. Quote, why am I so confident? It is because I'm certain about the VC, Ethereum, and Solana. My answer is no. What am I confident of is the incompetence of our leaders, President Biden, Treasury Secretary Yellen, and Fed Chair Powell, unquote, he stated bluntly. Remorse. Okay, vice protection strategy. Is that it? Story continues. Okay. Let's keep reading. 5 asset protection strategy. Kiyosaki. Yes, Kiyosaki. I'm telling you, I'm tired, guys. Okay, let's keep reading. Kiyosaki holds a critical view of these 3 leaders, stating those 3 are the 3 stooges in real life, and I am certain and I am very confident about their incompetence, unquote. This isn't the first time Kiyosaki, who's co-authored a book with former President Donald Trump, has criticized the Biden administration's economic policies. I mean, anybody at this time probably is criticizing the economic policies because it sucks. Everything's going up in price. And we are the ones paying the price. People that pay their taxes are the ones paying the price for that. Let's keep reading. In August 2023, after Yellen praised Biden's economic strategies, Kiyosaki took 2X to question, quote, what is she smoking? He's pretty funny. I've seen him in some of his interviews on YouTube. He's pretty funny. Quote, has she been food shopping lately? Has she filled her gas tank lately? How many business closing? How about credit card debt? Biden's team worst leaders in history, unquote. And in December, Kiyosaki lambasted Biden over rising gas prices. Quote, higher gas prices is what Biden and Marxists want. Biden is a puppet of woke liberals. He is the worst and weakest president in history. He has been bought and paid for, unquote, he wrote. For those who share his concerns, Kiyosaki offers suggestions on how to hedge against the impacts of governmental policy, naming 5 assets, not just crypto. Quote, take care, buy more gold, silver, Bitcoin, Solana, and Ethereum. Protect yourself from the 3 stooges, quote unquote, he wrote. Kiyosaki didn't further elaborate on the reasons behind his suggestions. However, the famed author has long been a proponent of precious metals. Last October, he predicted, quote, gold will soon break through $2,100 and then take off. You will wish you had bought gold below $2,000. Next stop, gold, $3,700, unquote. Kiyosaki's life let me reread that. Kiyosaki likes silver too. Quote, silver's from $23 to $68 an ounce. He said at the time projected major upside for the precious metal. Gold has already surpassed $2,100 mark and is now trading at $2,304 per ounce. Silver has just also enjoyed a rally in 2024, currently standing at around $29.60 per ounce. My mentor, he's a big believer in precious metals as well, so he also buys a lot of platinum, gold, silver, but once prices start hitting high, he starts selling them. I sold some gold before too. I have some. My wife didn't want to sell more. I was like, okay, fine. You're letting me buy all this crypto. That's fine then. We won't sell more gold. We'll keep that. But definitely, if just what I noticed about, I think I'm going to have an episode about this. I'm going to get him in again. It's been a while since he's been on the show. But what I notice about people with a lot of money, with that are savvy investors, they move their money around all the time. You see one market going up, you sell that, get out. See another market that's down, buy that, let it go up, sell that. It applies not just in the crypto market, but in other markets as well, especially with the precious metals too. But all right, that's that for this story. Let's move on to the next one. Right here, let me All right. The next story is from CoinDesk. This is a short story. GameStop shares fell 12% on Monday, weighing heavily on some meme tokens that tend to mirror the stock's movements. Solana-based meme token GME, which parodies the company's stock ticker, slid 25%, reversing a more than 200% rally over the past 7 days. Related tokens like Roaring Kitty and some cat-themed tokens, which previously moved alongside GME stock, lost an average of at least 10%, according to data tracked by CoinGecko. Dog-themed tokens, Doge, Shiba Inu, and Floki paired last week gains, falling from 4% to 10%. GameStop shares have sunk 62% from 2-year high on Thursday after the company said it will sell up to 75 million shares and announced a drop in quarterly sales. I mentioned this before again, and this is the thing about live streaming. It's gonna be very repetitive because you just keep saying the same things over and over again. You just talking, but the GameStop saga and AMC stock saga, that's what got me to all the way to crypto. Started investing into that, got into stocks, then connected with my mentor once again, my buddy, mentor, brother, connected with him again. He showed me what he was doing with crypto. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna sell all my goddamn stocks and I'm gonna buy into crypto, and that's what I did. And haven't looked back since then, and I probably won't look back for a long time. But yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna. If you guys want to get into it, I mean, if you're gonna be a gambler, if you're gonna really gamble your money and look for big risks, I don't think you should do it. This is not financial advice. I don't think you should do it in GameStop. I mean, do it in crypto, not financial advice. If you're thinking about it as an option, it's a better option if you're looking for higher gains for a higher risk. Because I think the GameStop is it's even more of a high risk now, especially as everybody's buying back into the narrative that, we're going to take down the hedge funds, shorten this stock, let's keep buying it so they can't buy it back, yada, yada. But at the end of the day, there's going to be hedge funds come and go, and they keep going. They might take one down. The same person might open up another one. So it doesn't really matter at the end of the day. But what matters is that if you're going to get in and you're in profit, take profits. Don't wait it out. Those diamond hands are going to crumble if you don't sell now. Trust me. Everything that goes up must come down. And with GameStop, it's even more volatile. I think it's even more volatile than the crypto at the moment. So that's it for this. Let's move on to the next one. Let me have a drink before we keep reading. Excuse me. Excuse me. Shouldn't be burping on the mic. Too late, but I'll try it better next. I'll do better next time. The reason I'm drinking a lot of water is because I've been working out a lot. I've been trying to build muscle. And if you guys are trying to do the same thing, because I'm trying to lose weight also, not just build muscle, but the best way to lose weight is going to be to build muscle. And the best way to build muscle is not just eating a lot of protein, but also staying hydrated. If you guys know, most of your muscles are made out of water. So the more water you drink, the more muscle you have. The more muscle you have, the more fat you burn. That's how it works. That's as simple as it gets. But if you guys want more tips on that, you could also ask me about that. I know I don't look like I know what I'm talking about, but I did bodybuilding a while back. I don't look like it anymore. It was a lot of hard work, and now that I'm getting back into it, I remember, okay, this is why I fell off from it, because it's a lot of work. Don't let it discourage you. I'm trying to get back into my bodybuilding ways, but if you just want to lose weight, drink a lot of water. Set yourself a time at night that you're gonna stop eating, and that's how I started losing weight. Just stop eating at night, because I used to pig out a lot. Let me get my water in. Okay, enough of that. Excuse me, guys. I'm just being a pig right now. And look, I'm wearing pink too, like a pig. That used to be my nickname in high school, Spider Pig. Because I used to sing the song a lot. Anyways, let's keep going. You guys didn't want to hear all that stuff. The last but not least news of the day, which kind of, transitioned from the previous news topic. This is from Crypto Potato. Meme coins face dual threat, market manipulation, and liquidity issues. That's with any crypto, not just meme coins. I mean, not just any crypto, Of course, you got your blue chip cryptos now, right? They don't have a liquidity problem, but a lot of other cryptos do. Anyways, let's keep reading. A Gini coefficient of zero 0.8 for meme coins indicates risk associated with investments in these tokens. Since Dogecoin's debuted, let me reread that. Since Dogecoin's debuted in 2013, the meme coin market has seen significant growth, reaching a total market cap of $60 billion by June 2024. That's a lot of money. In March alone, the asset classes. Let me read that. I want to read this whole thing. Let me just start again. Since Dogecoin's debuted in 2013, the meme coin market has seen significant growth, reaching a total market cap of $60 billion by June 2024. In March alone, the asset class attracted a whopping $13 billion in spot trading volumes on exchanges, surpassing major blue chip cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum and Solana. However, this sector is grappling with risks. It's a gamble, guys. Be careful. If you guys make some profits on your meme coins, take profits, okay? At least take what you put in if you have more than that, okay? All right, let's keep going. Reg price and identifying meme coins investments. According to CoinShares' latest report, the heavy concentration of assets among meme coin holders highlights a notable risk of market manipulation and liquidity challenges due to the significant asset concentration among a few holders. Large holders or whales can significantly impact the token's price by making large trades, causing volatility. Furthermore, if a small number of addresses hold most of the tokens, liquidity issues can arise. This is particularly true if the same addresses also control the liquidity provisions on decentralized exchanges. Yes, I mean, that could happen with other coins too. If a big whale dumps, the whole coin dumps. The high Gini coefficient of around 0.8 for these meme coins indicates a significant centralization of token holdings. For the uninitiated, this metric assesses the distribution of tokens among different addresses, such as centralization, poses risks like potential market manipulation, liquidity challenges, and increased investors' caution, all of which need careful consideration when evaluating these joke tokens. They are jokes. They're not serious. That's the whole point of them, is for people to be degenerates and gamble their money. A lot of people are going to make, let me rephrase that. Most people are going to lose money, and very few are going to make a lot of money. That's kind of how it works in any market in general. Quote, wait, I already read that. Oh, no. Quote, the high Gini coefficient of 0.8 indicates a substantial centralization of token holdings, posing risk. Wait, I already read that. Sorry. Let me go to the next one. No. See, I need some sleep, guys. All right, let's do it again. Quote, the high Gini coefficient of 0.8 indicates a substantial. The high Gini coefficient of 0.8 indicates a substantial centralization of token holdings, posing risks such as market manipulation and liquidity issues, in addition to a degree of volatility that is intolerable for most investors. It's a hard game to be in the crypto market, dumps 20, 50%. We were down to 90% before this bull market started getting going. Let's keep reading. Investors flock to meme coin futures. While examining the relative trading volumes, CoinShares found that the influence of older meme coins, such as the OG Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, is diminishing. Meanwhile, Pepe, a flurry of new Solana meme coins, have gained traction, which now collectively accounts for over 50% of trading volume. This shift reflects a recent investor preference towards newer meme coins. There are several factors at play, such as growing communities, blockchain ecosystems, and as well as the potential for higher returns. Despite this, the liquidity and longer track record of established meme coins remains significant. Correspondingly, the high futures open interest reflects the massive market footprint of these coins and suggests increased speculative trading. For instance, Dogecoin's open interest hits a record of 1.8 billion recently, while the peep surged nearly 50% to 850 million in May. That's a lot of goddamn money. The rise in open interest, which has now exceeded 3 billion, points to increased price volatility and indicates that investors are increasingly using futures positions to manage their exposure to meme coins. So like I said before, I'm not really into meme coins. I don't really. I mean, if I had once, probably after this bull market, if if we make a lot of money from this bull market, then probably start playing around more. But at this time, I kind of got what was the safest option in crypto, right? I'm an AMP holder. That's one of the safe. They're actually doing something. Meme coins don't do anything but make you money if you're good at it, and lose you money if you're bad at it. If you're trading it, right? Be careful with the meme coins. If you guys must, then do it. If you guys are very iffy about it, if you guys are scared about it, don't do it. Your safest bet, not financial advice, your safest bet will be just put it in Bitcoin. It's gonna go up in price. It's gonna go up in price. We all know it. We could feel it. We could see it. It's gonna go up in price. If you want a safe play, just put money in Bitcoin or Ethereum. That's what I would do if I wanted to save play. I'm more a higher risk for me because I'm buying mostly old coins that I think have good utility, that are gonna make money. So that's what I've been buying. And on my safer investments, like my Roth, that's where I'm putting money into Bitcoin, and next will be Ethereum once the Ethereum ETF starts trading. So yeah, just be safe out there, guys. If you guys make profit on these meme coins, take profit. Don't diamond hand it. Those diamond hands are gonna crumble if they rug those meme coins. So be safe out there. Trade safely. We're done with the news. Let's just have a quick look at the market, see how they're doing. Let's see what we're doing here. All right, we're looking at the Bitcoin chart right now. Bitcoin is at $67,100. Let's just keep it that way. It's down 0.357% for the day. It's down 4.85 for the 7-day. It's down. No, it's not. Sorry, it's not down. It's up 9.98 for the month. For the year, it's up 157%. For the all-time, it's up 108 million%. Let's go to Ethereum now. Ethereum is at about $3,480. Is down for the day, 5.3%. Is down for the month, 8.45% for the month. Sorry, for the 7-day, the weekly is up for the month, 18.95% for the month. It's up 97% for the year, and the all-time is up 122,000% for the all-time. Let's see, and the last but not least, my favorite AMP at the moment is one of my biggest holdings, not financial advice. Full disclosure here for you guys, one of my biggest holdings here. I'm not buying at this prices anymore because I already bought when it was at this price before. I already have my position built for this. It's down it's at the price is at 0.005774 for the right now. Is down 12.75% for the day. Is down 15.03% for the 7-day. The weekly is down 20.62% for the monthly. And it's up 187% for the year. When in doubt, some out. Yes, it looks bad, right? Right now, it looks bad. But look for the year. It's up 187%. I'm up on it. I'm not up as much as I want to be yet, but I'm up on it. And for the all-time, it's down to 39.42%. It was at 90% down for the all-time. 90% down. We're making progress, guys. Okay. When in doubt, some out. Look at the biggest. Look at how the market, overall looks. Look at the all-time chart, the year chart, and it gives you more perspective. Don't get all scared. I see a lot of people on Twitter, getting scared about it. Let's see Bitcoin right here. And then, they're like, oh man, Bitcoin's dying. This is the dump. Oh, we're crashing. Oh, it's over. It's over. But then, you look at the year, 157% up. All time, look, we're already surpassed the all-time highs from before. Look at that. When in doubt, some out. That's the last time I'll say this. I guess we'll leave it like that, right? Okay, guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the crypto news of the day. Please make sure you subscribe. I gotta say this right at the beginning of the video. Thank you guys for helping me surpass 300 subscribers. We did it. Let me see. We need some, where is it at? We did it, guys. We did it. We did it. We did it, guys. We surpassed 300 subscribers. Please make sure you like this video. Comment down below if you have any questions, or if you want us to do technical analysis on some crypto coins, because that's what we also do here. If you guys look back on my previous videos, we do a lot of technical analysis on coins, especially people give us coins to look at. The last one we did was for AMP token. So if you guys want more technical analysis for certain coins, let us know. Yeah, I think that's it for now. Nothing much to talk about. I'll see you guys on Thursday again, hopefully. I'm trying to do this weekly, at least twice a week when I have some time, and mostly Thursdays and Tuesdays. That's when I have more time to do this types of live streams. If you guys like them, please let me know. Yeah, help please. One more time, if you came up on this channel and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I need all the subscribers that we can get. Let's hit an all-time high on my subscriber count. Thank you for watching. This was Bud Smoke Crypto. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Let's see. Let's what do we do? Bye bye, guys.